channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Chrissy B, and if you're returning, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be in the kitchen. Today I'm going to make my favorite meal, and that is stewed peas with pigtail. Now it's my fourth time making this meal, so yeah, let us see what we do. And guys, remember, this is my way of making my stewed peas. Okay, thank you. My way, nobody else way but my way. Right, so see y'all in the kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. If you're new here, my name is Chrissy B, and if you're coming back, hello guys, it's a long time no see. But so today's the day that we are going to the river. Yeah, so this is my intro. I'm kind of late, as in me a rush, because I'm just at the pan away for me to literally dead down the road. But yeah, so remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share the video, please. Thank you. And I will see you on the road or when we reach to the river. So come along with me.